Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable the new Filter All Direct Messages feature on the Discord app for PC. This update makes it much easier to protect yourself from unwanted or harmful messages, and it only takes a minute to set up. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open up your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a lot of different sections in the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Content and Social. Click on it to open up the options under this category. This is where Discord organizes features related to communication, privacy, and content settings. Now, inside the Content and Social page, you'll see the new option that was introduced with the recent update, Filter All Direct Messages. This setting automatically filters and screens direct messages from everyone, providing an extra layer of safety if you want to avoid spam, scams, or offensive content. To turn it on, simply select the option for Filter All Direct Messages. Once you do that, Discord will begin filtering out harmful or unwanted message content across your direct message inbox. It's an excellent tool if you want to keep things distraction-free and ensure a safer chat experience while using Discord. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the filter for all direct messages. From now on, Discord will automatically take care of screening messages and keeping your inbox cleaner. If you ever want to turn this filter off or adjust it later, you can come back to the same Content and Social section in your settings and toggle the option whenever you'd like. Thanks for watching.